In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check old Zoom meeting history. If you're trying to find details from a past Zoom meeting, there's one important thing to know right from the start. The Zoom desktop app can show some recent or previous meetings, but it may not keep a complete history of every meeting you've ever attended. So this method is useful for checking what's available inside Zoom Workplace on your computer, especially for more recent activity. To begin, open Zoom Workplace on your computer. Once the app is open, sign into your Zoom account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you use more than one Zoom login for work, school, or personal meetings, because your meeting history will only appear under the account where those meetings took place. After you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Meetings. This section is where Zoom organizes your meeting information, including scheduled meetings and, in some cases, records of meetings you've already joined. Once you're in the Meetings area, look for a section labeled Recent or Previous if it appears in your version of the app. And Zoom can vary slightly depending on updates or account type, so don't worry if the layout looks a little different. The goal here is to locate the area that lists meetings you've recently attended or hosted. When you find that list, select the meeting you want to review. Clicking on a meeting will let you view whatever details Zoom has available for that session. Depending on the meeting and your account permissions, this could include basic information such as the meeting title, time, or related options associated with that meeting. Now, here's the key limitation to keep in mind. The Zoom desktop app does not always provide a full historical archive of all past meetings. If you're looking for older meeting information and you can't find it here, that doesn't necessarily mean the meeting never happened. It may simply mean the app isn't storing that level of history. In that case, the better option is to use the Zoom web portal, which is typically the place to check for older meeting information when the desktop app doesn't show everything you need. So to recap, open Zoom Workplace, sign in, go to Meetings in the left sidebar, check under Recent or Previous, and then click on a meeting to view the available details. If the meeting is too old to appear there, you'll likely need to check the Zoom web portal instead. And that's how to check old Zoom meeting history.